replacing a -1 front sprocket with a stock sprocket. This says Vortex, but this is just a stock sprocket in there. Alright, for a 2021 ZX6R, this is 32 millimeters. These are 12 millimeter. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Plenty of slack now. Sprocket cover, there's 4 8mm bolts. Flatten this washer out, then I'll be able to take this sprocket nut off. This front sprocket is 36 millimeter. No, it's not. It's 27 millimeter for the front. If you have an impact wrench, not to put it on, just to take it off. This is the stock sprocket I'm going to be reinstalling, so this side is going to go on the outside, and this is the Vortex -1 sprocket. So this isn't on all the way right now, it's just on the bolt there, but I need to loosen the chain a little bit more to get this seated easily. I have this set to 110 foot-pounds. Now it doesn't look like there's any room for me to really get this washer bent up around the nut. So I think I'm going to take it back off, and I'm going to have to bend it a little bit first. So there's like these four kind of like tips. But be careful not to bend the whole washer. Washer on, like not hand tight, still kind of loose. And then I'm going to use a flathead to try and pry these tips up a little bit more. Make sure you don't bend those out too much that they prevent you from locking the bolt in too. These are bent out quite a bit on the washer, but you can hear as I spin it, it's not locking up the bolt yet. So I think that's kind of how far I need to bend them out, or else these edges basically are like hidden under the sprocket when I tighten this to torque. Two of these screws are longer and 2 of them are shorter. The 2 longer screws go on the top, these 2, and the 2 shorter ones go on the bottom. tighten that locking bolt on the left once this is adjusted properly. So I'm happy with the chain. This one will be tightened to 105 foot-pounds.